Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Chevy Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, front all-season tires, four-wheel disc brakes, rear all-season tires. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.